Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be working on a custom ordered bear. He's going to be a toilet paper bear, kind of thing you'd have in your bathroom, holding your roll of TP, you know, in there, hanging out, talking to you, whatever. I hope you guys will stick around, see it to the end. Thanks. Alright guys, we're getting right into it. I've already started this bear. As you can see, I've got some cuts going. This was out of a large block of pine. I kind of cut it in half and blocked it down. You know, we're talking like maybe 12 by 12 inches. I mean, this is probably 12. This was probably more like 22 inches here at the base, you could see. But the bear is roughly going to be within that 15-inch wide, 12 to 15-inch wide mark, you know, side to side, and about 12 inches front to back. With this being a custom order, it's kind of important to try and, you know, carve out what the customer's looking for, and that's basically for a bear to hold some toilet paper here in the front of him like this. Yeah, that's really the goal. Today I'm going to be using my steel MS 250 to work on getting him blocked out. We'll swap that out for the MS 193C to do more light blocking and more refining work, and then when we're done with all that, we'll jump into the 170 with a dime tip bar here and do the real fine detail stuff. This guy will get finished out with power tools and paint and all those good things. Be sure to stick around. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. So as you can see, we've got them all blocked out. We're ready to do some final detail work here. I'll be using the 193 a couple more minutes and just kind of cleaning up the base, bottom around here. And we'll be jumping to the dime tip bar on the 173 and refining this face, the snout, nose, claws, and adding the fur texture. I just want to say thank you guys for watching so far. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, be sure to hit that little bell that comes up so you can be notified when new videos come up. We're not done yet, so stick around. Let's finish this barrel.
Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. If you guys are interested in helping support my work and support my channel, head on over and check out my Patreon account. I got a link here popping up one of these corners, and I've also got the link down in the description. You guys can follow that, see what that Patreon's all about, and you can help this channel grow and help my work continue to move forward. I want to give a shout out to Colin Smith. You're the first person to pledge on my Patreon account. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Seriously, awesome. I appreciate it. For the rest of you guys, I'm going to be working on some more videos here. I've got a couple how-to videos in the works that are going to be here specifically on YouTube. I've also got a how-to video on how to carve a gnome for you, Colin. I'm going to be working on that. That's going to be up on the Patreon account only. So that'll be Patreon exclusive. If you guys sign up, you'll be able to get the how to carve a gnome tutorial once I get that all done. If not, you guys are more than welcome to stay here on YouTube and check out the videos that I've got popping up here as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.